cropping images in Photoshop. Sure, that's extremely easy and I'll show you how to do it. So that being said, let's see how can we do it. We have two options. Either we press C as in Charlie once Photoshop is open and we automatically enter the cropping mode, or also we can find this button right here. Is the fifth tool, is named crop tool. Either you press on it or you press C, is the same thing, you just open it. Once you selected the crop tool, now you can readjust the sizes as you'd like to, include what you want and exclude which you don't want in the picture. Then you can press on delete and Photoshop will automatically crop our images. Now if you want to crop it again, it's very easy. You just select the image, press again C, or you press this button and now you can crop it again. And the second way how to crop images in Photoshop, this is also more accurate. Press on File, New, then enter here the resolution which you'd like. 1000 on 1000 is the perfect resolution for Instagram. Now as you have the project, let's paste here the photo, is the exact same photo, and now you can readjust here which part you'd like to keep and which part you'll not like to keep in this photo. If you want to readjust the size, just make sure the photo is selected, then press Ctrl and T to readjust the size, T as in Thomas, and now choose which part you'd like from the photo, and after that press enter and you're done. And these are the most common way how to crop images in Photoshop. I hope you have a great day.